Hello, it is RSO once again. Thank you guys for watching those videos. Anyways, I am still bullish on USAR. I totally got faked out. What was it? Yesterday, I totally got faked out. I re-entered today, still in those 20 calls. I I really like it because I like these two highs, these two lows, aka indicating a bull flag for me. It's not the prettiest, but it's still a flag, especially after a strong push up. Now, something to be aware of, Price has done that before at this 325 EMA for me and totally faked me out after breaking the highs. And it's kind of doing the same thing here. So I'm just going to be watching it tomorrow. If I do get this breakout, and hopefully it doesn't sell off like it did yesterday, where it went up 7% and then went right back down after that. Like I think it went still for like, it was like minus like 6% or something like that. But shows some promise still, and I especially love the flag breakout above the 325 EMA, but it has done it before, so I just have to be a little cautious. But I love this pattern, this bear flag that it's breaking out of. And then for Apple, Apple's still doing good so far. It's still within my range. Hopefully, we get that rejection. Now, when it comes to the small caps, they still haven't broken out for me. Like Cypher has done a total fake out, and I don't see any pattern for me to enter yet. Path totally went the opposite way, and so I still don't have anything there. Baba did great, but I'm now just looking for a reversal pattern to go back up to the upside since we're above that 325 EMA, and it seems to be selling off right now, but I honestly don't care. I could care less. I just want a pattern to form and break to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. Now, App has totally done something crazy that I didn't expect. It sold off huge today. And yeah, it's still in some previous support, but I don't have a setup at the moment. And then EOSE has been going crazy, but I still don't personally have a setup, so it is what it is. Sometimes you just get those. But I really am strong about USAR, and then I'm in MP, but we'll see how that one goes. I don't like this. It could totally, do something and break out. Hopefully it could break out. If not, I have to sell it. But I did make money on it today, but I don't like the after hours at the moment. Hopefully tomorrow can show something different. Silver, on the other hand, is just down right now, but it doesn't matter. I'm still bullish on silver. I know it sounds crazy because I mean, look at this, but I'm just following my trends and stuff. Like it could honestly go all the way back down. I could care less. It could go all the way back to $64. But I mean, it doesn't matter to me because, I don't have a signal, so I'm not gonna enter at all until I get one. Now, from where I sold it was like that 85 range, and we went to 93, which is pretty crazy. I didn't expect that, but here we are. But this is what happens when you kind of get too greedy and stuff, and you think it's going to keep going higher and higher, and then it just sells off. Hopefully, we could get some type of reversal signal, but I don't have anything on that. And then core weave, I'm thinking of shorting just because on the 4 hour that 325 been rejecting it at the moment. So I hopefully this will break 86, and I wanted to go back to 82. Now, will that happen? I have no idea. I never like to really like predict these things. I just like to follow the charts and stuff and see how they do. Well, with that being said, I love USAR. Hopefully it could break above 1838. MP looks a little scary for me in my position. And then I have Robinhood, but Robinhood is kind of iffy right now. I totally entered early. I went on the 1 hour. Um, I'm hoping to get this false uh head and shoulders breakout, but it would have to break 119.77. And if it breaks below 117.02, we might see it more to the downside. So just because of that 325 EMA is still being tested, and if we reject that, then we could see it going back down. But that's why I have to be a little careful with Hood right now. But basically, those are my setups. Coin, I don't really like It was like a total fake out today, and that's usually not a good sign when like things fake out and go back down. Usually means more sell off to come. But I mean, markets could prove me wrong. I don't have setups. If I don't have setups, then I won't enter them. That's just my thought process. But yeah, that's pretty much my analysis. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.